In this video, I'm going to talk about a series of exercises that were composed in the 1800s by a French pianist and teacher named Hanon. And the idea behind these exercises are to develop strength in the fingers and independence of the fingers. So number one has you beginning, and I'm just going to look at the hands separate. We're not going to work on the hands together. Just focus on them separately from each other. Normally, when we play a scale or a piece of music, we like to play successive keys with the successive fingers. So if I'm starting a piece on C or a scale on C, I would play first finger, second finger, third finger. If I'm continuing the scale, I'd do the switch. And I play the next keys with the next finger in my hand. Well, sometimes we have to do switches where that's not going to happen, and that's sort of what this first exercise begins to develop. So what it does is we start on C with thumb, but the next note we want to play is not D, it's going to be E. But we're going to do this by shifting my other fingers of the hand all up by one key, so that now I'm starting with second finger on E. I walk my way up the scale until I reach A, then walk down, and now I'm going to bring the thumb into D, which is going to set up the pattern. It's going to be the same exact pattern of notes, just now starting on D. All these fingers now are shifted up by a key. Walk up until I reach 5, bring it down, thumb comes in, fingers shift, thumb comes in, shift, thumb comes in, shift. The customary stopping point is when you hit this G up here, then you repeat G, and now I'm going to do this on the coming down, okay? I was moving upwards all that time by, moving the pattern up by step each time. Well, now I'm on G, and the way you go down is to take now the 4 lower fingers and shift them down. So they were here, they shift down, and then I move down a scale until I come back to F. And so now my pinky was here, 5th finger was here, now it's starting here. All these fingers, rest of the fingers shift down a key, and 5th finger comes in, 5th finger comes in, lower fingers shift, 5 comes in, shift, 5 comes in, shift, and then when I hit this low C, that's the cue to stop and finish it up, all right? So on the way up, it helps work on getting a stretch between these two fingers. On the way down, it's very nice because it helps work on the weak 5th and 4th fingers, getting a stretch between them. The left hand, for right-handed individuals, is a little tougher because now it involves the stretch between 5th and 4th fingers right off the bat. So we start on 5, make the stretch immediately so that I get 4, come up to thumb and bring it down, bring the pinky in to play D, stretch, 5 comes in, stretch, 5 is in, stretch, 5 is in, stretch, continuing. Again, when I hit G is going to be my stopping point. I play G again, and now I'm doing essentially what the right hand did on the way up. So now I stretch down, shift these fingers down, bring the thumb in, stretch, thumb in, stretch, etc. When I hit that C, I can finish things off. So that's Hanon number 1.